Few years back, my friend Aditya had asked me to build a website for him, but till now I have not done it. Since we are quarantined, uh, why don't I just try to make that?
For building anything, you need to know who is going to use it, what is its purpose, or why are you making it. So, I took some time to dig deep into it.
Basically did a small outline of how the website should turn out. So it's basically a portfolio website. So the major people who will be visiting the site will be someone who potentially wants to hire. There are only two functionality which I think that exists. One is that we should be able to properly show her works, which is basically drawings and stuff. So the second feature is that the ability to contact her. So if someone likes her work, they must be able to contact her using different platforms. So this was the site she had shown me and she asked me to build a website for her. So now when I'm looking at this website, it's super complicated. So I don't know if I can even build something like this.
I even looked at some other famous artists' site to see how their site was made and did a basic sketch on this site on how it should look. I used Figma to prototype here. I am a total beginner to Figma. This is the first time I actually downloaded Figma and installed it on my computer. But Figma is basically a free software to draw and prototype apps. It is free for individuals. There is a web version available. You can do it in Google Chrome itself. So I used that to make a quick sketch of the website.
So by now you might have seen the sample drawing which I did in Figma. So that's what we are working with. So I had sent it to her and she liked it very much, and that's what we are going to build by tonight, I guess. So yeah, that's what we are going to do. Let's get it.
I used Quasar Framework, that is built over Vue.js, to build this website. At first I wanted to make a dynamic site with admin panel and all, but then I felt it would be an overkill because she most probably would not update the site that often. So I decided to make a static site.
Basically, I have completed a small aspect of the website. I would say it's it's not small aspect. Still, it's fairly done. So basically, I built the website as a static site as of now. So I have, as you can see, I have added all the 4 images into Google Drive, and I have added drive links. I have hard-coded the drive links into the code, into the website code. So that is how we are rendering the images here. Suppose it's a production level site, we can't use this because we need to be dynamic. So as of now, say for in the 2-hour window, I've done so much. So I'm pretty happy with it. So let's see if I can. I don't know if I should, or let's see if we can change something or make it into a dynamic site. But first I'll just host this site on Firebase. So hosting static files is easy, but since this is a Quasar app, there are some modifications that need to be done. So we'll make those changes and then we'll host the website onto Firebase Hosting, and yeah, let's see how it goes.
I'm pretty happy with how it turned out to be in such a short time. Anyways, if you like the artwork in the website, link to her Insta handle and the website I made is given down in the description. Do check that out. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one.